Hello, if you are wondering if you can install GCam on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s, then the answer is unfortunately no. Even though there is technically a way to try to download it, unfortunately it is not possible on this device. Normally you could go to the Play Store and then search for the GCam app, and then once you install it, if everything works fine, then you should see the text that the module is enabled on your device. However, as you can see, in the case of Motorola Moto G04 and G04s, this module is disabled, therefore it is not possible to install the GCam. The next step would be to press this middle button over here and then search for your model. Perhaps in the future it would be it is possible to install the GCam, but in this case, if you try to search for the for our model of our smartphone, then unfortunately it is not possible. We cannot really find anything. So unfortunately, you cannot install a GCam on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.